Over 100 speakers will be attending, some of whom are the founders of YouTube, Skype, Bebo and LinkedIn, top brass from Amazon, Facebook and Google, to name but a few. So how did so much intellectual capital get crammed into the RDS that made 1,500 people decide to attend? Where did this idea come from?
I felt there was a lack of international investors and entrepreneurs coming to Ireland to speak. They'd come to Europe from the United States all the time, and they'd drop off in London and Paris and Berlin, but very seldomly in Dublin. So I just decided, why not try and change that and invite some of them to Dublin. And over the last year and a half, they've gladly accepted, and they've all had great times, the guys that have come before, and slowly the good word about Dublin has travelled back to Silicon Valley and elsewhere, and it's become progressively easier to get more and more of them to come to Dublin. So we've over 50 startups exhibiting or pitching from the main stage over the course of the 2 days, and it's a massive opportunity for Irish startups to get the type of exposure that's very, very difficult if you're just two guys in an apartment working on a product, and the Dublin Web Summit hopefully changes that. But it depends what you're interested in. If social media is your thing, online marketing, then you've got to go to the social media stage. If you're a startup, if you are an entrepreneur, or you're considering becoming an entrepreneur, or you're involved in a small or medium-sized business, then the startup stage is going to be for you. And if maybe you're involved in a much bigger organization or have a huge interest in cloud computing, then the cloud stage is going to be for you. So on Thursday there's a huge menu that you can select from, so you don't have to go and see any one particular speaker. You can choose between 3 at any one time.